Welcome, folks. Today, we're diving into the world of Ansible. Before we start automating everything, including our coffee machines, let's make sure Ansible is actually running. We'll go through essential checks, why they matter, and which commands will save you from pulling your hair out later. Stick with me, and I promise you'll be checking Ansible like a pro. I'm Emma Grace, an IAM expert with 10+ years of hands-on experience designing and deploying identity solutions that scale. I specialize in helping organizations implement secure, user-friendly access controls that reduce risk, meet compliance, and support growth without adding complexity. Let's start with the basics. Ansible is a powerful automation tool that makes IT management way easier. Think of it as your digital assistant, without the attitude. No pesky agents, just simple YAML playbooks to tell it what to do. Whether you're managing servers or orchestrating complex workflows, Ansible is your go-to solution. Imagine pressing run on your playbook, only to realize Ansible isn't working. Yikes. Checking Ansible's status is like making sure you have gas in your car before a road trip. Diagnosing issues beforehand saves time, frustration, and the embarrassment of explaining why things failed. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Okay, step 1. Do we even have Ansible installed? You switch Ansible to locate it, and Ansible version to confirm its presence. It's like making sure your laptop charger is actually plugged in before panicking. Also, check dependencies, because Ansible without Python is like coffee without caffeine. Time for a simple but mighty command, Ansible version. This lets you verify that Ansible is installed and plays nicely with your Python environment. Think of it like checking the expiry date on your milk. You don't want surprises later. If something looks off, better fix it now. Checking your Ansible configuration file is like proofreading an email before hitting send. Trust me, it saves embarrassment. Make sure inventory paths and SSH authentication methods are correctly set up. Otherwise, Ansible might just sit there, refusing to work. No one likes a stubborn automation tool. Your inventory file is like a guest list for a party. If someone isn't invited, they're not joining. Use Ansible inventory list to check who's included and confirm all hosts are reachable. A disconnected server is like a party guest who never shows up. Totally useless. A quick ping test is like tapping the mic before speaking. Make sure your system is listening. Running Ansible, all ping ensures your hosts are reachable, and SSH is working. If the test fails, it's back to troubleshooting. At least now, you'll know before running complex playbooks. Let's do one final check. Ansible all ping. If this succeeds, Ansible is officially ready to work its magic. If it fails, well, time to put on your troubleshooting hat. But hey, at least now you know where to start fixing things. Running an Ansible playbook without checking it first is like sending a rocket to Mars without testing its engines. We need to ensure our syntax is correct, validate execution with a dry run, and double-check for any sneaky configuration changes. Finally, don't forget to keep an eye on those logs, because if anything goes wrong, they'll be the first ones to spill the beans. Think of check mode as a rehearsal before the big performance. It lets us simulate execution, ensuring our playbook does what we expect without breaking anything. Like a safety net for tightrope walkers, this mode catches misconfigurations early and saves us from the horror of accidental system tweaks. Logs are like diaries for your playbook. They remember everything. When things go wrong, and they sometimes do, logs help us retrace our steps and uncover the mystery behind failed executions. Plus, keeping logs for future audits ensures you're always one step ahead of potential surprises. Ansible processes can sometimes go rogue, like a mischievous intern changing server configurations. Keeping track of running processes ensures smooth execution, helps us spot performance issues, and lets us take action before things spiral into chaos. The ps aux grep Ansible command is our secret spy tool. It tells us if Ansible is working hard or just slacking off. Knowing what's running helps us optimize resource use, debug stuck processes, and track multiple Ansible instances with precision. Debugging Ansible is like being a detective. Verbose mode gives us clues, logs reveal mysteries, and proper inventory configuration ensures nothing is missing. If something's off, a little syntax validation is all it takes to put things back on track. Good monitoring is like having an insurance policy. You hope you won't need it, but when things go wrong, it saves the day. Regular log checks, setting alerts, and automating monitoring ensure we catch issues before they turn into disasters. We've covered a lot. Ansible monitoring isn't just about avoiding disasters. It's about making sure things run like a well-oiled machine. Keep testing, debugging, and monitoring, and you'll be an Ansible guru in no time. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.